Well, claims to me means actually providing service to someone in need. I'm on the property side of claims, so we actually reimburse someone if they have some type of accident or some type of loss at their house. If you have a high school diploma, or highly recommended is college. So you can actually, in high school, take business courses, some courses dealing with risk management, or out of high school, if you get some type of construction background, that can also help get you into the insurance field working with Erie Insurance. In claims, you get out and you work with the people who have the insurance policy. So if someone was to sustain a loss, you would go to their house, meet with them, investigate. So you're typically out in the field 90% of the time. I think one of the great things about Erie Insurance is that they allow you to be flexible. They understand their employees, and it's a great company to work for. I love the environment. One, stay in school. Two, make sure you do your best, get good grades. And three, if you want to get into the insurance industry, take some type of business course, whether in high school or whether in college.